Hello folks, I just want to do a brief video on how far it is to grocery stores and restaurants, especially if you're coming to use our community kitchen. I highly advise you to bring your own groceries with you on your first time here. I like to say, Bugs in a Jar Farm, we are centrally located at Bugs in a Jar Farm. We are centrally located in the middle of nowhere. So, now most people will just, if you're planning to go out and have a nice meal, there are all kinds of restaurants in Ithaca, which is about a half hour from here. All sorts of restaurants. And there's also some good restaurants in Owego, which is also about a half an hour from here. But I would recommend going into Ithaca if you're going to restaurants. Now, there are a couple of places in the closest town. Now, Wilseyville is a wide spot in the road. There is nothing to eat. No store, no restaurant in Wilseyville. In Candor, New York, which is 6.7 miles, 10 minutes from here, there is a pretty decent sandwich shop at the Mini Mart, and there is a bar that serves, bar and pub food 10 minutes from here. So 17 minutes from here, 12 miles from here is the little town of Spencer. Spencer has a pretty decent pizza place. It has a little just plain old diner and an okay sandwich shop in Spencer if you're looking for food to eat. Now, if you're going to the grocery store, again, there is nothing in Wilseyville at all. Candor is 10 minutes, 6.7 miles from here. There are two mini marts and a Family Dollar and some weird little boutique grocery store that offers a very few items. So not much grocery shopping in Candor. Again, 17 minutes from here, 12 miles from here, in the little town of Spencer. There's a pretty decent sized market, which has everything you need, for a few days stay. Pretty decent sized market. If you need a full service supermarket grocery store, there are two of those in Owego, which is 18.8 miles or 28 minutes from here. So if you're coming here and you're going through Owego, stop for your groceries. And finally, the big, nice supermarket, the Wegmans in Ithaca, is 19.2 miles from here. It's 27 minutes to the Wegmans, and there's also a Walmart Supercenter in Ithaca. So both of those are 27 minutes. So if you're coming here and you're coming through Ithaca, you want to stop at the Wegmans or the Walmart in Ithaca before you get here for your groceries. You might want to bring ice with you if you're renting Blue Dragon or Seahorse. Don't forget the ice for the ice chest. So, I hope that helps so we don't have hungry people learning how far it is to the grocery store. Anyway, hope that helps. See you soon at Bugs in a Jar Farm. Bye, guys.